Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can you trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Today we are going to review our Smart Gold Scalper. It is a gold scalping expert advisor which used to monetize small gold market movements. It has many entry and exit criterias, and this is specifically for gold. And the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 50,000 cents. However, in this market, in this very volatile market, we prefer or recommend 100k, or that is equivalent to 1000 USD or above. So in this review, we started it on 7th of July. I thought that I will make the video on 7th of November or maybe around that, so we complete 4 months. But there are some significant achievements that we got with this expert advisor in the last 2 weeks. The last video that I created, and there were significant improvements in the performance as well, and in the profitability in this case. Okay, so we started with 100k on 7th of July, and so let's go from there. We started with 100k on 7th of July, and today is 1st of November. Today is Saturday, so market is not moving. As till yesterday, I thought that I will create the video next week, but I could not able to resist to create this video. Okay, so I am scrolling it down, every detail, everything from scratch, everything from the same account. However, if I'm doing it like this, the video will be very longer. So now I am using page down button, so we can reach today's performance, the latest performance, pretty soon, because it's already just 10th of July, from 7th of July till 10th of July, right? So let me use the button page down so we can move a little faster. I have no other intention, it is just to create the video shorter. However, you can track the performance in the history of Myfxbook. If you go through the link that I provided in the video description, you can go through the video link of Myfxbook, and in the history you can check all these trades. Some people will say that why 100k? Well, that's a good question. Well, this is a scalping expert advisor, and in such kind of market, when the market is moving in one direction continuously without significant retracement, as you can see that we are seeing some retracement from past 1 to 2 weeks, but earlier, if you can see, it was going straight in one direction without any significant retracement. There were some corrections in the past 2 weeks, and hopefully after a few days it will go in one direction again. So in such kind of market, when the market is moving in one direction, even the correction is very crucial actually, and you can see the correction is very good, and it is also very volatile and in one direction. Not exactly in one direction, but the gold movements, earlier the gold movements were just 30 to 40 points, that is like 300 to 500 pips, but now it is, I mean, there is no magic or there is no surprise. Gold is moving 1000 to 1500 pips in a day. So I just wanted to make it safer. However, nothing is safe in Forex market. Even 100k I cannot guarantee. But so far, within our testing, since we are testing it from last year, since December, and we did it on certain accounts, couple of accounts, and so we found the right setting, and after that we started creating the video on one of the other account, that you can see in the playlist. There is a playlist in the video description where you can check the previous account also, that we traded for almost around 4 months. And then since we were working on something else, so we are using this trial account to check the performance of the expert advisors, that how it is performing in such kind of market. And also the year end is coming. See, this is the reason that I use the page down button. Otherwise, just using the down arrow key, it would have taken a lot of time more. It is still a long way to go to complete it, but we are on the right track. In this channel, we are not providing any kind of investment tips that you should invest in Forex market, or either you should invest in this expert advisor or you should trade with this expert advisor. This is just for educational purpose, that what kind of performance that this expert advisor has done in our account. And we only used to create the videos on those expert advisors, whether on real account, whether on demo account, just to show that how consistent that the expert advisor is. We do not even consider an expert advisor which is consistent for just 1 or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but we try to find an expert advisor with the right settings that has been consistent for at least 2 to 3 months, or even 1 month, but like there is a big chance, or maybe like our hope, or we know that this expert advisor will be performing better in other months also. So in that case also, we are creating the videos for at least 2 to 3 months for each expert advisor. So in this case, we are just 1 week away to complete 4 months. Last video I created, I think 2 weeks back. At that moment, the EA has achieved a significant milestone at that moment also, and also the EA is going to perform and achieving towards a bigger milestone in coming days. Even it has achieved it today also, but to make it round up, it might take another couple of days. So I could not able to stop myself to create this video, just to share with you that how this Smart Gold Scalper Expert Advisor EA is performing in this kind of market. Whether the market is going up, whether the market is going down, whether the market is consolidating, whether the market is ranging, whether the market is trending. So this expert advisor has performed similar kind of results, not similar kind of results in terms of profitability, but it has been able to sustain in every kind of environment. You cannot expect good returns in a ranging or a consolidation kind of market, right? Because the market is ranging within a range and there is no big range. So when there is a big range, that EA will take more trades and there are more chances of profitability. Depends on how the expert advisor strategy is and how it has been performing and how it is going to perform. So we have reached October. From July we reached October. So we are very near to the latest date. In the video description, I have provided you Myfxbook link. Myfxbook is one of the most trusted and statistical analysis, or maybe you can say some kind of statistical data where you can analyze each and everything about various other things like drawdown, maybe GHPR, AHPR, Sharpe ratio, or maybe many things actually. Okay, so you can check it in the Myfxbook that is provided over there. One thing I would like to make it clear that even this is a trial account, this is a standard account. Okay, so the performance will be different in cent accounts. Of course, cent accounts generally used to keep higher spreads as compared to the standard account. Even a standard account of one Forex broker is different from other Forex broker. Some people might say that you are trading it in trial account and how it is going to perform in real account. So we have traded in real account also in the previous video, or maybe the previous account that we closed earlier. We were trading on, we have traded on real account, and also we can say that okay, for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 5 week, maybe some kind of changes could happen. But if an expert advisor is performing for over 3 months, so one can think over that the EA has been able to cope up with all kind of things, interest rate, or maybe other extremely volatile Forex news, right? Employment data, FOMC, and many other things. And it has been consistent so far. I would not say that there is a guarantee that it will be performing the similar way in future, but yes, we can hope, or we can trust that based on the history or the current situation, the EA has been performing well in my sense. So we expect or hope that the EA will be performing similar or better in the upcoming scenario. No investment can guarantee you, that is for sure. In Forex market, we are trading with leverage. So of course, trading with leverage make it very risky. So please do your due diligence before investing in Forex market. Again, I would like to reiterate, this is not an investment advice, neither I'm encouraging you to invest in Forex market, neither I'm encouraging you to invest in this expert advisor, neither I'm encouraging you to invest in trading. Anyways, and never trade with a money that you cannot afford to lose. Never trade the money that you kept it for family emergency, or never take a loan to trade. Never take a loan from bank or either from someone. Okay, and the emergency fund, do not touch that amount, because whatever amount you are investing in Forex market, it is a kind of market that can provide you very good returns if you are moving in right direction, but if you are moving in wrong direction, then probably you can lose your entire account. And there is no guarantee, because an expert advisor does not move or control Forex market. Any expert advisor trades on certain rules and conditions. If the conditions are met, any expert advisor would open the trade and close the trades accordingly based on the situation or the conditions defined. But big financial institutions used to move the Forex market in their own direction, where there is no control, no technical, generally used to work. There is nothing called safe in Forex market. You can say low risk. So low risk, I would say low risk is only when you are using a small stop loss, which is very often that these big financial institutions used to hunt your stop loss very easily. Even if you keep intermediate stop loss, that is high probability that will be hit too. But your stop loss will protect your equity, not your entire equity, because even in stop loss you are losing some kind of amount that is restricted for that particular trade. But in this case, we are not using exactly any stop loss. Okay, even the stop loss and the take profit both are hidden. Stop loss in this case, we are not using it actually as a stop loss. Okay, so if you would like to do a more lesser risk, then probably you should move to the expert advisors that use stop loss. And if you are interested in gold, then we have many expert advisors like Lion Gold, Fast Trend Gold, CGX Gold, One Shot Gold Expert Advisor, and others, where each expert advisor or maybe each trade is protected with a stop loss. And we have created videos on them, so you can check the playlist. The playlist link is there in the video description with the name One Shot. So one shot means there could be more than one trade, but each trade will be protected with an individual stop loss. Okay, so there are many expert advisors as I just named them, so you can just check those videos and see the performance, and you can enjoy those videos as well. If you have any questions about Smart Gold Scalper or any other expert advisor in my channel, you can contact me directly via email or Telegram. I have provided my email and Telegram details in the video description. Telegram is better because I can chat and can respond sooner, as soon as I see the message. Email depends on at what time I am able to check your email, receive your email and checking your email, and then I will respond, and then you will respond when you are available. So it might take more time as compared to chat messages on Telegram. Even for scalper or intraday trading, I mean intraday is okay. Even for scalper and other expert advisors, I have created playlist, right? For scalper and intraday there is there, and one is One Shot, where you will only find those expert advisors with stop loss, and in scalper intraday you will find the expert advisors that used to trade all the time and might take multiple trades, many trades in a day, while One Shot expert advisor will take very less trades, maybe one trade, or maybe one trade in a day, or maybe one trade in 2 to 3 days, or maybe 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4 trades in a day, sometimes when the situations is favorable. Okay, so guys, you can see that with a deposit of 100k we made 296,034, almost 300%. That we will be achieving in next week. Okay, and let's see the running trades. These are the few running trades going on right now. Okay, and let me take you to the Myfxbook of this particular account. So this is Smart Gold Scalper Myfxbook page, and I have mentioned you the link in the video description. Okay, so far this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, as you can see, we have seen a significant growth in October starting from August. Okay, so if this way, you can see the daily is 1.18, monthly is around 42.31, drawdown is around 15.52, and other statistics are there. Okay, you can check this link in the video description. It's already there. So these were the open trades, and this is the month-wise result. In July, we started on 7th of July, we made 7.70. In August, we made 12.12. And in September, it's 29.48. And in October, 153.29. Okay, so you can see as soon as the market started trending, whether it's up or down, we saw significant change in the result, right? From 7.70 to 12, then 12, then 29, right? And then 153.29. Okay, so this is all about the statistics, and results may differ from broker to broker and from account to account, right? You can not expect the same result in a cent account if you're as compared to the standard, and even if you're using a standard account of one broker, the results will not be the same if you're using same expert advisor on a different broker's standard account. So I have not checked it on many other brokers, right? So I'm just using one or two broker right now just to show you the results, and this is what the result is. If you have any query about this expert advisor, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned my email and Telegram both in the video description, so feel free to contact me, and please check the playlist as well. And I have also provided you some suggestions about the Forex broker, so like if you would like to check that out, that would be also help you. So with this, I appreciate all your time that you have given to me, and all your trust on me so far. And for any query, feel free to contact me. That's pretty much it, guys. Stay happy and spend good time with your family and enjoy your weekend. Take care.